Another question. Do I have to pick my nose every time or what? What are you laughing for?
This guy's booger is so big. It's so big in my lap.
Well,
it's
no,
so big.
Maybe your...
Look at his nose. What do you expect?
What's up, SV squad? Wait, what's up? Come on for me. See, fight it, Mel. They fair, fight it, Mel. They out there.
Right, I'm making up, guys. Come on, you show me up.
So equal. Give me for you. I mean, maybe more. What's up, SV squad? It's your boy Chochi.
And your girl Victoria.
And your girl Samia.
And we're back with another video. You see another new guest here. Today we're gonna do a video who knows me better. I hope you guys enjoy this video and who knows me better. 10 questions and I ask all the questions and these guys answer. Because Snacky versus the first question, how old am I? If you don't know, that's 1 point. Another question, what food I like?
Wait, give me some time to think.
No, make you do it.
That's
Fried chicken.
Calamari.
Sorry, I like fried chicken, but half pointed, pointed. Yeah. Another question. What is my favorite color?
The blue.
Say violet, purple. I like purple Rashina. Purple rain, purple rain. What is my favorite sport? Just do a two.
What? That's a P.
Say for it. Two four. Next question. What is my date of birth? Just do two.
10 of April 1990.
Nah, đây đùa sao được. Bởi vậy, sister ở đây đó có xong cuộc lâu mà xin phạt ông. Oh, come on, girl.
Get it có sao?
5, 2. Oh, 5, 2. Another question, guys, and this is the best question ever. How many teeth I am?
How many teeth I am?
I have. How many teeth I have? Oh, come on, man. Nah, man. Forget about this. How many teeth I have? That's
Which
what I'm
one?
saying.
Which one?
No.
We get to have a little look. Did you pull any teeth out?
No.
Show her. Wait. I'm guessing. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3.
28.
24.
Let's count it. 15. Your teeth are so small. Wait, that's 13. 14. 29. I was closest.
Are you sure it's 29?
Yeah.
28.
It's 29. I won. Let me take my point.
No, no one's won.
How?
No one's won.
How?
I say 28.
Yeah, but it's whoever's closest. So who's the closest? Hi?
Sorry, guys. This question I'm gonna take half point for these guys. Half point. Not full points, but half point. Another question, guys. How many?
Oh my gosh, can you stop? I want to pop you.
How many apps do I have?
Oh, that's an easy one.
Well, how many?
Oh! Nothing. Let me see me up.
Yeah, we both get that point.
Six pack.
Well, a family back lady.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't worry about my 6 packs. I'm still training. Guys. You will see next month. So it's gonna be 12, not 6. Another question. Do I have to pick my nose every time or what? What are you laughing for?
Why are you talking like that?
Do I have to pick my nose every time or no? I'm the good person, so tell me the truth. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes, you do.
Or
anytime if he's driving. When we vlog.
When
And he always says, keep your arm out.
Guys, don't listen to her. It's not true.
Spring coin mẹ phải flavor.
Follow me, your boy Georgie always be a healthy boy. Don't touch your nose and eat. So you need to don't touch anything. If you need to take out your butt or your boogers in your nose, just use a tissue and.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you next time.
What do you mean next time?
What
Tell
do you mean?
yourself.
What do you mean?
Tell yourself.
What do you mean? This guy's booger. This guy's booger is so big. It's so big in my lower.
Big like your head.
Like a big rock, man. And I'm like, I can hear all these things like dropping on the floor. And I'm like, what is that? I was like, what is that? And I look over, it's all these big bubbles, like big little pills.
I don't think it's like what this guy's talking. Bruh.
It's
No.
so big.
Maybe your
Look at his nose. What do you expect?
maybe your bum is falling down everywhere.
Okay.
You know what? This boy Georgie, not touching nose every time. No, thank you. Not picking your nose every time. No. This boy is a healthy boy. You're not gonna picking your nose. If you wanna take your big booger in your nose, you can use a tissue and yeah, do it. Take it out. Another one. What's something I can't eat? Por me ai utelefi fi ai telela. 1, 2, 3.
Pee.
Yeah, right. I don't like BB, guys. It's yucky. Oh, it's yucky for me. It's no good.
Okay, that's it.
Too much fat in it. Another question, last one and the final one. This is the last and final. Wow. So guys, that's the end of our question tonight. Our Sissy vs Snacky. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, keep your thumbs up. If you not like it, keep your thumbs up. Oh yeah, still keep your thumbs up. Please subscribe and like and share your video, guys. Whatever you want to share. You know your snacky boy and snacky girl here. So we love you guys. We do this because we love you.
Thank you everyone for watching. Subscribe, you know what to do, you know the drill.
Yeah.
Comment down below what videos you'd like to see us do. This was just a casual video just after eating dinner.
Yeah.
And before rugby, that's why Sia's trying to rush us off.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy it and see you guys soon.
SV Squad
signing out.
Hola, soy
So, what do you do?
Okay, SV Squad signing out.
Stay my in the world, yeah. boy bango mama pia moleka se boy kokui bako samo kasi lelo